Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice Bar channel is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you some lovely recipes and ideas. I have some watermelon left over, and I decided to use it up doing another video for my YouTube channel for the fans. You know what I mean? I did a video earlier about watermelon, and you know, I have some left back, so I'm just gonna put some watermelon straight inside of the Ninja blender like this. It's gonna make a watermelon drink. So guys, if you want to cut out your watermelon, all you have to do is just be careful of how you're gonna cut it out, alright? Because I don't want you to cut it out and you hurt yourself. Nice one. And the seeds of watermelon are always good for us. Some people doesn't like the seed, but for me personally, I love the watermelon seed. Gonna put some ginger inside of it. Then I squeeze half of a lemon. No, watermelon is a little bit sweet, but just squeeze a little teaspoon of honey. Very easy recipe, nothing too complicated. We're just gonna be blending up this, alright? Don't wanna cock, come on. Lovely. Alright, there it goes. It's a very easy recipe. I'm just gonna be blending this about 3 to 4 seconds. Lovely guys, so basically it is finished blending. All I'm going to do is put some ice inside of my glass. One pound ices, you know what I mean? It's summer. And through summer, that's the way we have to do it. So we're just gonna pour this inside of it like this. Nice and lovely. Cheers guys. Put a little piece of fresh mint in it, make it look lovely and nice. Yeah, and this is exactly how we do it on Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Simple watermelon drink. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe coming out, a lot more ideas will be coming out from Chef Ricardo on the team. Alright guys, as I said, we've been talking about detoxing all along, and you know what I mean, I made this big bottle of detoxing water with some fresh mint, cucumber and lemon and apple cider vinegar. Guys, I know you guys normally see me normally do this kind of video on my YouTube channel, but just to introduce you to my new strategy which is coming all along. We've been talking about detoxing how many weeks and days now. We've been talking about detoxing and also weight loss and losing weight. The reason why there's a lot of people been asking me about this detoxing thing is because I did it for myself. It works. I tell you, it works guys. This thing here, fresh mint and fresh cucumber, lemon and ginger. Please get all the organic fresh item guys. It's the best thing to use. You don't want to get the one with a chemical, because those one doesn't good. Alright, but I'm just introducing you to some of my recipes and ideas. Alright, this one is this is a garlic crusher or a garlic press, whatever you want to call it. This is a very good thing to have in your kitchen. Alright, so basically I'm just introducing. If you want to get one of these garlic press, please go to my YouTube channel and please go to my website and you will see stores. Once you go to my website, chefricardocooking.com.co.uk, alright, you will see. Once you type in Chef Ricardo, go straight to my website. You will see my website. Go to store, order this. Please try it at home. If it doesn't like it, send it back to me and I'll refund back your money. Alright guys, look at this. It's amazing. To be honest, when I come across this item, I said to myself, you know what happened? I have different kinds and I don't use them. I have this one and I'm gonna chuck this one in the bin. It doesn't good. This garlic press is one of the best I ever used since I've been cooking. Over the last couple of days, I've been cooking and I've been using it. It works amazing. Alright, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Very important. And I will see you next time with the best healthy recipe, juice, and all different kind of juice and drink and smoothie for summer. Stay tuned.